Around 3 Delhi schools received bomb threat via email today. The Delhi Fire Department was informed of the development at around 7 a.m. In the wake of the threat mail, the school administration sent the students back home while the police were also informed. Now, according to Delhi police sources, checking is underway at the schools and nothing suspicious has been found so far. This latest incident comes more than a month after several CRPF schools across the nation, including 2 in Delhi and 1 in Hyderabad, received bomb threats via email. The threat, however, turned out to be a hoax. It is also pertinent to note that on October 20th, a powerful blast ripped through the wall of a CRPF school in Delhi's Rohini area that damaged nearby shops and vehicles and also made a hole in the wall of the building. There were no reports of any casualties or injuries.
बम से उड़ा देंगे तो इसलिए हम अपने बच्चों को घर वापस लेके जा रहे हैं।
तो किसकी तरफ से कॉल किया गया था आपको?
स्कूल मैनेजमेंट की तरफ से।
अच्छा,
फोन आया।
कितने बजे कॉल आया था आपको?
हमें बस अभी बच्चा पहुंचा आधा घंटा पहले ही 7:30 पे।
ठीक है, बच्चा वो कितने बच्चे थे?
हाँ, हमारे बच्चा एक ही है मेरा छोटा, बाकी तो सब लोग वापिस जा ही चुके होंगे लेके।
Room and in other sides as well. There too, as of now, police has not found anything, but they are keen to look forward.
All right, and we are now getting some more inputs on this story. We're now learning that over 40 Delhi schools have in fact received bomb threats, and these were received through email, after which the schools sent back the students home, and bomb disposal squads and Delhi police are at the schools, and the extortionists demanded ransom from these 40 schools. So the numbers have now risen to 40. Earlier, we were learning that only 3 Delhi schools have received bomb threats, but now we're learning that 40 schools in Delhi have received these bomb threats through email, and after which the schools have sent back the students, and bomb disposal squads and Delhi police are also at the spot. In fact, the extortionists demanded ransom from these schools.
Disperse immediately. You are requested to kindly collect your ward from your respective bus stops. On footer, parents are requested to kindly come and collect their wards immediately. The bus route in charge will keep you updated about the movement of the buses time to time. Mother Mary School. So ये मैसेज आपको आया है। काफी पैनिक हो गया क्योंकि हमें याद है मई के मंथ में भी हम यहाँ पे आए थे, हमने यहाँ से रिपोर्टिंग की थी क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक पहले भी बॉम्ब थ्रेट आ चुका है। बार बार यहाँ बॉम्ब थ्रेट आ रहे हैं स्कूल।
अब एक्चुअली न्यूज सही है या गलत इस पे नहीं जा सकते ना, स्कूल वाले रिस्क नहीं ले सकते, हम भी नहीं ले सकते, बच्चों की बात है। इसलिए अब न्यूज सही है या फेक है, बट हमें तो पैनिक होकर के एकदम से बच्चों को लेने आना ही पड़ा ना।
आपको टीचर्स ने क्या कुछ बताया?
मतलब मॉर्निंग में हम स्कूल आए, उसके बाद बैग वैग रखा, उसके बाद हमारी बीना मैम है, उन्होंने बोला कि सब नीचे आना, उसके बाद सब जमा होगा, फिर पुलिस भी आ गई उसी ग्राउंड में।
अंदर पुलिस बॉम्ब स्क्वाड है, आप क्या कुछ अंदर देख रहे हैं?
टीचर्स ने बहुत ही एकदम फ्रेंडली मतलब बिहेव किया और बहुत अच्छे से मैनेज किया। सारे बच्चों को स्कूल की बिल्डिंग के अंदर ना रख के कैंपस में रखा फॉर सेफ्टी, एंड अंदर चेकिंग चल रही है, पुलिस है, बॉम्ब स्क्वाड वाले हैं, सब कुछ अच्छे से हो रहा है।
So as you heard and as been telling you, Pratibha, since morning we've been witnessing a lot of parents running it. They are all are in panic, going inside to collect their wards. What they're telling us, inside there's presence of bomb squad and also police who are going around and checking all the areas in the school as well. And just a moment back, there were announcements that were being made by the school administration asking parents to collect their wards. And 8:15 was this message that I showed it to you. That was in fact shot out to parents asking them to collect their wards. But so far, what we're learning from this particular school in East Delhi, that nothing suspicious has been found so far. But there's police presence all around, and parents here are in panic. They're rushing in the school and in fact getting their children out from the school.
So that's the latest that's coming in from Delhi, where 40 schools have received bomb threat through email, and the police are at the spot. A bomb disposal squad is also present at these schools. But so far, as per Delhi police, nothing suspicious has been found at these schools. In fact, we're learning that the extortionists demanded ransom from these schools in the bomb threat email. But if the police is to be believed, there has been nothing suspicious found at these schools, but over 40 Delhi schools have received bomb threat, after which the schools sent the students back home.
Not come to school today, but here the prima facie says that there is nothing that is suspicious inside the school. It is mere a false threat that has been given, and the demand for $30,000 is something that is being told, that is given in the email to several schools. But IP address is something that the police is looking forward, because no such explosive, no such bombs or suspicious material has been found inside any of such schools, and henceforth an IP address is something that the Delhi police will be trying to locate to find out whether it is a serial offender, it is somebody who's new, or is somebody who's pranking with the system and the school system as well. These are the angles that the police are exploring at the moment of time. And similarly, they also say that none of the schools have seen any such suspicious activity being held in past as well. Only a threat has been received via email. Nothing has been found so far, but the investigation will continue, and the staff, those who are present at the moment of receiving threat in the school, their statements will also be recorded. Similarly, CCTV footages of all the schools will be scanned by the teams of Delhi police. But as of now, we can say that it is a threat call that Delhi police has taken seriously, but nothing suspicious has been found.
So nothing suspicious has been found at any of the 40 Delhi schools that received the bomb threat today through email, after which the students were sent back home by the school administration. Now, according to Delhi police, the checking is underway at the schools, but nothing suspicious has been found so far. Now, this latest incident comes more than a month after several CRPF schools across the nation, including 2 in Delhi and 1 in Hyderabad, received bomb threats.
Including because in the threat it has been mentioned that that particular person wants $30,000. But as I was telling you, Pratibha, I'm standing outside Mother Mary's school here in the national capital. This is in East Delhi area, and as you can see, there are CCTV cameras that police is also in fact analyzing right now to find out if anybody went inside and planted a bomb. But as you asked, as far as the threat is concerned, police is also in fact trying to track down where this email has come from. The email mentions that I planted multiple bombs inside the building. The bombs are small, hidden very well, and that is why police is there's a presence of police inside the schools, and they are in fact looking at all the areas to find if there's anything there. But what we're learning that till now nothing suspicious has been found by the police, and this appears to be a hoax bomb email as we can see. But in the last few months, Pratibha, we've been witnessing a lot of such hoax bomb threats given to the airlines, to hotels, and also to the schools. In May as well, we were standing right here reporting on the hoax bomb call that this, along with many other schools in the national capital, received that time. And the investigation revealed that the bomb calls were, all of them were in fact hoax. So that is why now the police is present inside. They're looking around. But what they told us, as far as this school is concerned, is that nothing suspicious has been found so far.
So nothing suspicious has been found at any of the 40 Delhi schools that have received the bomb threat, in fact. And as my colleague was mentioning, that it seems like it was a hoax threat, but the confirmation is still awaited. The checking is underway. The police and the bomb disposal squad are at the 40 schools that received the bomb threat, but as of now, nothing suspicious has been found. The threat, although mentioned that the bombs have been hidden very precisely, and there are small bombs that have been hidden across the school building, but as of now, nothing of that sort, or for that matter, nothing suspicious has been found at any of the 40 schools that received the threat so far. 40 Delhi schools received a bomb threat through email today, and after which the school administration sent the students back home.
I do not receive $30,000, I will detonate the bombs. This is a threat message that we have accessed. This, in fact, goes on to say that you all deserve to suffer and lose limbs. This bomb that this person claims to have planted in different schools says that this will not cause very much damage, but there will be a lot of injuries. And unfortunately, what he claims that he has planted these bombs at several schools here in the national capital, 40 schools in total, and this one as well. But what we are learning is that this email bomb threat that has been sent out by this person is hoax. Nothing suspicious has been found in these schools so far. There's presence of police, bomb squad, canine squad inside this school and also other school.